At the Hemodialysis Center of PGH. We've been here for like how many months na, Roman?
I think
It's 2 months, 2.5 months, and our duty here at PGH formally ends today. So this is Racy. You wave your hand and say hi.
Hi! I'm beautiful, yes.
So my 2 other group mates are there making laro with one of the patients. So this is Melissa Roman. First, so this is the dialysis machine. First, she connect the tubing. It's color coded, so it's not nakakalito. So first, she attached the red, which is the artery, which will be connected if later. Then she hooked the 0.9 sodium chloride with the red tubings. Ayan. So, yan. Here. That's the dialyzer, left and right. You have to connect it tightly so there won't be no leakage. And then this is the blue. This is where you explain, Roman.
I explain?
Yeah.
What will I explain?
What is
For
that
the
blue?
or the venous line.
Yan.
The other end.
That is where the
Clamp and put it on the whatever it is.
basta this is the tube we do when we rinse. We've been rinsing and we've been doing this for 2 months also. Yan na.
Then you connect it
Yan o, like that.
to the blue end
Tightly
dialyzer tightly.
Mm.
And then when you're done connecting, start.
And then you start it. Yan. You can adjust the anong tawag dyan?
The blood flow rate. Ma'am, cute.
Ma'am, say hi.
Ang laki niya.
This is Ma'am Cube. This is Ma'am Cube, one of the best nurse here. Ma'am, it's a video. Ma'am, say hi.
Hello.
Ma'am, hindi ako oh, yeah. So, while Roman is busy, the other one is texting.
Ma'am, Cube is so
The other 2 are chatting. Go, Melissa. The first sodium chloride, I don't know in English, it should be mauubos. Consumed. And then, dapat 3 yung sodium chloride. First, you explain.
The first bottle is to be consumed.
Oh, hello. This is our Lola. Say hi. Without Racy, please. Oh, yeah. Hello. What can you say about your grandchildren?
Thank you, children.
We love you. Kumain na kayo, ma'am?
Sige.
Kumain na kayo?
Sumubo ako.
Ma'am, you explain. Let's go back to the rinsing.
Yes, yummy. And
It takes like 5 minutes.
when I say stop, you press stop. You don't miss 1 second when I say stop.
Oh, stop. And then now the another and 0.9, but we will only consume half of it.
Thank you so much. Because we love you, Wawa. You know, spend how much. Ay, ang hirap. Uy, text.
Oh my gosh, it's 9 minutes na pala. I'm gonna, na lang, sa YouTube, may account ako eh. So, the other 2 are making... Uy, Chris!
Sino ba? Yung pinila mo dito? Ay, si Ma'am naman. Wala kami mapapala para si nurse.
Who? Who's nurse? Melissa, explain what you're doing.
I'm aspirating.
Aspirating. Basta you aspirate so the air there, the air that accumulates in the tubings will be removed.
And
It's a protocol, by the way.
tubig.
Yep.
Ano ba yung yung sa pagkain? Ano? Yung tinda? Yung
Cuisine.
cuisine.
So, while everyone is busy here, say hi to me.
Q-I-F-I-N-E.
That is Ate Marge and Lily with Christine Anastasio, who gave us a letter a while ago. Say hi. Let's go back yan. That's the last sodium chloride, last IV with the heparin. So, heparin is very important here in the dialysis. Because, why daw, Roman?
Because blood is too clotty.
Yan. So, this is the whole setup.
You video us, dali. Okay, fine.
No.
Hi! This is the whole dialysis center.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna be
Circling the
Yeah, I'm gonna circulate.
Oh, man, ikaw ba?
Oh, this is Christine. The beautiful Christine.
Yes, I am.
Ah, you are. You are the beautiful Christine. What can you say about
About us.
about us?
Yeah.
I'm speaking English.
I'm very thankful that I met you guys.
Then?
And
Then after that, what?
after that,
What?
I don't know.
What? Just speaking English. Girl, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah.
You can.
You can. You can. I know you're intelligent. You're beautiful. Yeah, what can you say about your loved one? Horrible.
Papakita ko.
No, it's not. No. No.
Private.
Yeah, it's good. It's private. Yeah. What can you say about Arbo? Arbo, where's Arbo? Where's Jeff?
Yeah, honey.
Where's your boyfriend, Jeff?
He's someone.
Ah, I'm gonna call Jeff. What?
She has her his
No,
own life.
she's talking. She's talking. Just wait. This for a while.
Wait, we should stop it.